In this video, I will show you how to link to a frame in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Next, open the board where you want to add your link. Once you're inside your board, click on the object that you want to link. This could be a shape, text box, or image. On that toolbar, look for the three dots at the end of the row. In that menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Link to. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear. From here, you can choose what you want to link the object to. To do that, simply click on the frame or object that you want to link to. Miro will automatically detect it and insert the link for you. Once you've confirmed the right frame is linked, click on the Confirm button. Now, when you or anyone else clicks that object, it will automatically take you straight to the linked frame inside your board. And that's how to link to a frame in Miro.